Welcome back. We're excited to be a part of a great event this Saturday. It's the Local First Fall Festival. It's your chance to connect with some great local business like Electric League of Arizona. And with me is Heidi. And hello. I'm sorry, let's just get this off the table right now, all right? Because we're having some fun here, and that's what I like about meeting someone like Heidi, and that is you're a Michigan fan.
Yes, go blue.
And I'm a Notre Dame fan. And what happened this weekend?
Michigan won, yes, substantially.
You wanted to do that on air to me, so you got to do it. There you go. But I get to ask you about Electric League of Arizona because I'm very excited to learn about this because it's a very important part, especially as we're starting to see more people get into that field. Yes,
we have a lot of people who are trying to get into the trades. We're a trade association, been around since 1960. We provide education, referrals to contractors, reputable contractors, which is what we'll be promoting today.
Let's talk about how Local First, and you guys have teamed up because you've been with them quite a bit.
Yes, we've been members of Local First Arizona for, probably 7, 8 years, maybe even 10 at this point. We attend their festival every year and talk about how to take care of your home and to use our contractors.
Yeah, and that's why I like when we talked about contracts we were talking about before, that you want people to kind of like come to you when they start looking to do things, especially as we're starting to get cold outside, because you guys, you said you have respectable contractors that you know about because they're in your association.
Right, all of them are licensed, bonded, and insured. They're in good standing with the Better Business Bureau and the Registrar of Contractors. We do follow-up, 100% customer service satisfaction with all the customers that call in and get referred. All of our contractors have to take continuing education courses that we monitor, and so they're closely monitored in the services that they're providing.
It's winter time. Well, not winter yet, but it's getting kind of like winter. When it drops below 80, we think it's winter here. So what are some of the things we should be looking for and getting ready for our houses, since you guys do some of that?
We recommend that you do have your heating system checked up. Everyone just thinks, oh, you just need air conditioning here in Arizona. But heating system, sometimes your system does both heating and cooling. And so having it checked twice a year, once before heating and once before cooling, is the best idea. And so we recommend that you do that. Change those filters out monthly. Yeah. You want to take care of that investment. It's an expensive unit that you have, and it's expensive to replace. So just taking care of it, by having it serviced twice a year and changing out those filters, really important.
And it's important to give you guys a call, because we were talking about bringing out a licensed contractor, because there are people out there who think, oh, well, I can change this, I can do that, and next thing you know, the house either catches on fire or they take out the neighborhood.
Right. Well, yes, the people who are coming out to your home, they are licensed, they are trained, they know how to take care and analyze what is, and diagnose what might be wrong, or just give you the thumbs up that it's all good for the rest of the season. So the electrical disconnects and some of those technical things, those are things that most homeowners should not be doing.
All right, you're going to be at Local First this Saturday with us,
yes.
And you'll have a booth there, and you're telling everybody to come by and, of course, meet you.
Absolutely.
So that's important. Again, the festival is this Saturday, starting at 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We're going to have our street team out there. Hopefully you stop by my booth, because we got Steve Harvey out there and some fun stuff, and I'll let you rub in some more about the Notre. Like, she's just loving about this. So look, I just can't get up. Thank you, Heidi, for stopping by.
Thank you.